Welcome to Finpod, your daily pulse on the markets. I am Evan, and we are here to cut through the noise so you can trade with an edge. Today's episode is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your institutional-grade toolkit for real-time signals and sentiment analysis. Let's get into the action. Reddit is moving significantly, up over 11% in pre-market trading. The catalyst is a major announcement that the platform will join the S&P 500 index. This is a massive institutional milestone, making it only the second pure-play social media company in the index alongside Meta. SanDisk is surging, up over 6% pre-market. This follows a strong investor day where management guided for mid to high teens revenue growth through 2030, driven by new AI-focused flash memory technology. Traders are clearly reacting to the long-term outlook and a massive contract backlog. New Holdings is jumping nearly 15%. They just posted their first ever billion-dollar profit quarter, with strong user growth in Mexico and Brazil. And finally, Workday is holding steady after a massive 17% rally. The move was fueled by reports that private equity firm Silver Lake is in talks to acquire the company. Moving to the broader market, U.S. futures are mixed today as investors digest the record highs we saw. The rally was largely driven by cooling inflation data that eased fears of further aggressive Fed tightening. Keep an eye on retail sales data dropping today. Consensus is looking for a sign of consumer resilience despite rising gas prices. Looking at the AI economy, the focus remains on infrastructure. We are seeing a continued arms race in data center capacity, with companies like NVIDIA and Broadcom remaining the primary proxies for this growth. The latest buzz is around autonomous AI agents. While the tech is advancing, firms like OpenAI are being increasingly cautious about security, even pausing some internal projects to ensure safety. In terms of individual stocks in focus, watch for volatility in retail and tech sectors today as we wrap up a busy week. For earnings, we have a few names reporting. VipShop reported before the bell, and we are expecting results from CSAN, Cinda, and Hawkeye 360 later today. Hawkeye 360 is particularly interesting as it just doubled its quarterly revenue, though it swung to a net loss due to heavy investment in its satellite and AI analytics platform. That is it for today's briefing. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, don't be the last one in. Like, share, and subscribe to keep Finpod in your daily rotation. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai and leave a comment below if there is a sector you want us to dive into next.